Hi, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create text animation video using After Effects. Final result of this tutorial is this.
Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see, and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Be curious.
The beginning of this effect is for the text is too slow. As you can see here at the first second, we can hear stars in this first second, while the text is not on that part yet. So I'm going to slide this yellow thing, red thing here, timeline. I don't know what is it, what do we call it. And here when I am here at the stars, I'm going to click this mark to add keyframe here, right here. Click it here, and we drag it to the first second when the audio says stars. So right here, the audio says star, and the text should show this stars word. So let's play it again. I press 0 button. What do you think? It is better, right? So next thing is somebody is walking behind me. I don't know. Whatever. So this part is done. We are here. So let's continue with this part. Let's hear what does he say? What does she say here? So I'm going to break this part. I mean this part to two parts. Okay, so I'm going to break it here. So I work on this part first before this part. Let's play again. Press 0. Okay, we already have these effects here. Now to do the same thing, let's say we are going to show the next part of the text with same effect like this. What we are going to do, first we need to cut the text layer. We need to cut it here, or maybe here. I think here is good. I'm going to cut it by pressing Ctrl Shift and D. I delete this part, we don't need it anymore. And here, let's say we have it to this area. Let's say after we reach this end of text, we fade this text out. So to do fading out, we click this opacity here to animate this opacity. Here we make a keyframe, and when we are here, I change the value of the I not offset here. I change the value of opacity to 0. Let's play again that part, the first part. So the text is fading out when it is ending, when it ends. Let's say we are reusing this effect. So what we are going to do is to click this layer to activate it and press Ctrl and D button to duplicate that layer, and we drag it to this position. Now, because we are working on this part, let's just hear the audio first. Okay, so we already have the text animation here on the range selector on blur by word animator. We try to delete this additional keyframe here first and drag it here to match this end area, and let's go copy the next part of the text, this one, copy it and bring it to After Effects, paste it here. So I think I missed the T. Yes. Let's play this part now. Try to make the ending part of this text animation is good. It matches the ending part of the audio, but the beginning is not that. Let's adjust it. Try. So we need to show try, the word try here in this location, in this point. I don't know what is the correct term of this. Try is here. I click this thing to create a keyframe, and I drag it here. Let's delete it because we don't need anymore. Then play again. Not bad. So this part is okay. And now let's adjust the fade out animation, which is this one. Let's extend it a bit. So I'm going to fade this layer out here. So I drag it to this position and it's fine. Let's press 0 button. It is not fading out. Oh, what's wrong? Let's try again. So I think the fade out effect or animation is not good for this part, because the audio directly starts saying the next part of the quote. So instead of doing fade out, we are going to do different effect or different animation. For example, we are going to move this layer to the top of the screen, top part of the screen. For example, let me to do so, we click this position stopwatch icon here, and right before she says what and wonder, I'm going to animate it up, to move it up like that. Let's play again. And wonder. Now we are working on the next part of the text. Let me adjust it like this. So we are going to work on these parts now and wonder about what makes the universe exist. I copy this text and let's create new layer by clicking this T button, and let's create new layer and wonder about what makes the universe exist. So let me play the audio. So here this time we are going to use different animation effect that is available here in the effects and presets. Previously we used this one, and let's try the another one. For example, this one, we have tracking folder. Let's try this magnify and see. I don't think it is good. I press Ctrl Z to undo. Let's find scale or zoom away. No, sorry. Let's use zoom forward. I don't think it is suitable. Scale up. No, it is not good. Scale upward. This time this one is good, I think. Okay, and let's make it 2 lines. Let's divide it by 2 lines like this. Let me show the title or action save area, so I can position it better here. Now let's just play the audio and the video. It's just about perfect. It's we can say it is perfect, right? The text and the audio matches.